If you've been following the rumor mill recently, you'll know that one of the major expected innovations to arrive with the iPhone 15 Pro Max has been a new main camera, likely based on the Sony IMX903 1-inch sensor, but according to new rumors, the iPhone 15 will stick with the same IMX803 48 megapixels 1/1 28-inch quad-bearer camera that the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max already have. It's a little disheartening that this isn't the only topic we're discussing today. The same rumor suggests that the same M12 OLED panel given by Samsung to Apple for the 14 Pro Max will be utilized in the 15 Pro Max too. So don't expect any significant changes to the panel. Just last month, we reported on a Korean rumor claiming that Apple would employ the M12 OLED panels throughout the whole iPhone 15 range this year, which would be a good improvement for consumers who often purchase the non-Pro models. According to our tests, it's a wonderful panel, but consumers shouldn't anticipate any insane new brightness levels or anything of the type. The same 48 megapixel sensor will be utilized in the 15 and 15 Plus, as we already know. Of course, the non-Pro models will still lack a telephoto camera, and the 15 Pro Max is believed to be the first iPhone to incorporate a periscope lens, increasing optical magnification from 3x to 5x. According to Ravenga's tweet, both Pro models will be powered by the A17 Bionic chipset, which will be made utilizing TSMC's 3M manufacturing node with 16 billion transistors in the A16 Bionic, which will power the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Finally, the tweet claims that the 15 Pro Max will have 8 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM compared to 6 gigs on the 14 Pro Max, despite the fact that all 4 iPhone 14 models are equipped with 6 gigs of RAM, though the non-Pro models use LPDDR4 and the Pro models use the faster LPDDR5 version. We could see 18 to 20 billion transistors inside the 17 Bionic. Previous speculations claim that all 2023 iPhone models would have the dynamic island shape-shifting multitasking notification system, and that the Pro units will have a titanium body. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.